up? Welcome back to the Teddy Crew. I mean, Langston Crew. Oh, that's another dog. Anyways, we are going to make a DIY tent. Now, we'll be back. Just stay right here. We need to move this ship over
Why didn't you move the chair?
because it don't reach that far. Wait, can you get over the chair for a second?
Do you want me to move it that way?
Anywho, yes, this is enough.
Okay.
Now, you hold the vlog. Now, first, we will need this. Oops. I think you have to put it back there. And 1, 2, 3, voila! Anyways, 1, 2, 3, voila!
Ooh, that was a good tent on you.
1, 2, 3, voila!
It missed.
Now, I think I got it now. 20 hours later. 417, 418. Now, last one. And voila! One, two. Now we will first need our cover. Now here. Now. Oh no, I think I got to sneeze. And then you run away. And then you float away. And I turn too. And then we fall down. Ow. And then fall away again. Every time I see you fall away. We need to go to Dr. Dr. Crazy Daisy. And then we all when I did the big scene. And then we all fall away to Dr. Crazy Daisy.
We did.
Okay. And then we go to Dr. Crazy Daisy's over there. Well, you can do your thing. Get ready when you're done.
Okay, ready?
Okay. And when I did the big sneeze, you go like, whoa, and fall away.
I kind of want to watch that.
Then you float away all the way over there. And then you film.
Okay.
Hello, I'm Dr. Crazy Daisy. What seems to be the problem? Oh, hold on. Oops. Hello, I'm Dr. Crazy Daisy. What seems to be the matter here? I said, what could be the matter here?
Oh, my Langston Crew friend has a cold.
Yeah. Mr. Crew, we are going to do part 2 of Langston Has the Terrible Sneeze. Now, be ready and...
Careful.
And fun! 2,
Hey, careful.
2, and 1. Ladies and gentlemen, Langston part 2. And now, so we need to find a stinky toilet, right?
Right.
I'm supposed to be serious.
Oh. Right.
Yes, so.
Right. We need to find a sticky toilet.
and the sticky toilet is in my bathroom. Let's hurry quick. Run. Quick. Come in here. Shut the door.
Jordan didn't get in.
Okay.
He's a part of our adventures.
Hey, shut the door. Welcome, Winston Crew. We made him into the bathroom. Now where is the clue? Everybody, check everywhere. Not in here.
Not in here.
How about check under? Oh, there's a clue.
Ooh, what does it say?
It's the numbers of it's Jordan's symbols. Jordan Nems McGoy.
Yes. Look at it, guys.
But guys, his real last name is Lagisters.
Bro, be serious. Look. Jordan,
His last name is Mitchell McGoy Pim.
Okay, what does that clue mean?
That could mean that Jordan is gonna poop out something. And poop. Yuck. Hey, we found a piece of cologne.
Wow.
Zesty.
What else?
That's it. Hey, take this, Lisa.
Don't spray it at your phone.
It's empty. Oops.
It's empty. What time is it on the thing? Okay, what's next?
Now, wait, follow me.
Okay, go. Where's the next clue? Oh, back in here?
Back in here. Everybody, start digging into this box.
Oh, okay.
Hey, we found the clue.
Oh, what does it say now?
It says box. That means we need to find a box.
A box?
It's under the box.
A box.
What?
A box. A box.
What box?
Box. It's under the box. Now we need to find the box. It's under the box. Wait, Jordan, are you part of the crew?
No. Yes. What box?
Alright, anyways about him. Follow us, Winston Crew. It's under the box for you. So, part 3 was the stinky toilet. Hold on a second. The stinky toilet.
Yeah, the sticky toilet.
Let me see this.
Whoa.
You smell it.
No.
Yes, you did.
Sticky toilet. What about the box?
The box. What is that, the box?
What about the box?
What about the box? Okay, so about the box.
The box.
What we will do with the box? Let's dig into the box. Hey, we found Cruz Ramirez from Lion.
What did you dig in?